If you're experiencing frame stuttering in EA FC25, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can enhance performance and fix compatibility issues. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reduce options such as texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Check background processes. Pause any unnecessary applications running in the background. Use the Task Manager to identify and end tasks that may be consuming system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher like Steam or Origin. This process checks for corrupted files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. Step 5. Monitor system performance. Use performance monitoring tools to check CPU, GPU, and RAM usage while playing. If any component is consistently maxed out, consider upgrading your hardware or adjusting your settings to balance performance. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce frame stuttering and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.